Hello, and welcome to my channel, friends. Today we are going to learn Python operators. So, Python operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. Yeah, Python has many operators, such as arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, and bitwise operators. Let we learn to see one by one. So the first one is arithmetic operator. The arithmetic operator is nothing but we will do the mathematical operations in our day-to-day life. So simply we can say that arithmetic operators are used with numeric values to perform common mathematical operations. For an example, plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiation, and floor division. Let me do some practical coding for this arithmetic operator. So, the first one is addition. Just type x equal to 10 and y equals to 5. And type print. Inside of the flower brackets, type x plus y. And then, you run the program and you see the output of x plus y is 15. Like this. You can do the addition in arithmetic operator. From this, you can add in another variable to perform this action. For an example, x equal to 10, y equals to 5, and z equals to x plus y. And print z and run the program. And you will see the output of 15. Like this way also, you can do an arithmetic operator. Let's do remaining of the arithmetic operator. Subtraction arithmetic operator. From this just type x equals to 10 and y equals to 5 and z equals to x minus y and type print z and run the program. And you will see the output of 5. Yeah, like this you can do the multiplication operator, division operator, modulus operator, and exponentiation operator, and the floor division. Yeah, just go and change the symbol of minus to multiplication. Now you run the program, and you will see the output of 50. Yeah, like this go and change the multiplication symbol to division symbol and run the program. Now you see the output of 2.0. And then go and change the division symbol to modulus symbol. Now run the program. And now you see the output of this is 0. And then go and change the modulus symbol to exponentiation symbol. And then you run the program. And you will see the output of 100,000. Now lastly change the exponentiation symbol to floor division symbol. And then you run the program. And you will see the output is 2. Like this way, you can do the arithmetic operators. Now, I will explain what is modulus, exponentiation, and floor division. Watch carefully. First, the modulus is nothing but the remainder for the division. Let me explain clearly. Now 2 divided by 10. Now 5 into 2, 10. So the remainder is 0. So The modulus is 0. Like this. The exponentiation operator is nothing but power of the values. Let me explain this. Is the x value is 2 and the y value is 10. Now the exponentiation operator performs the 10 to the power of 2, so the output is 10 into 10. The exponentiation operator output is 100. Like this. The floor division operator is similar like the division operator. The division operator performs with float number, but the floor division removes the float. For an example, x equal to 2, y equal to 10. Now the division operator is done. And the output is 5.0, but using the floor division, the output is 5 only. Yeah. Now it's time to do some example for this arithmetic operator. I will give some question to this. You can solve it by yourself. Just pause the video and then try to solve it by yourself. If you face any issue, come back to the video and resolve it. The problem number 1 is a fruit seller has 123 apples. If he sells 47 apples, how many apples will he have left? I think you are solved this question, so let's solve this question. So first, start with the initial number of apples. So the initial number of apples equal to 123 if the seller sells the 47 apples. What will be the remaining apple is the question, so create an variable name called initial apples equal to 123, and then create another variable called apples sold equal to 47. And then create another variable called remaining apples equal to initial apples minus apples sold. Now type print remaining apples. Now you run the program and you will see the output called 76. Yeah. Let's solve the another question. So, the next question is, ask the user to enter English, Tamil, Python, Java, and C language marks. And then, find the average of this marks. So the average formula is sum of observations divided by total number of observations. Yeah, now solve this question. First type English equal to int input of enter your English marks and type Tamil equal to int of input of enter your Tamil marks and type Python equal to int of input of enter your Python marks and type Java equal to int of input of enter your Java marks and type C language equal to int of input of enter your C language marks. Yeah, now you get all the 5 language marks. Now you want to do some logic here. Create another variable called total equal to Python plus Tamil plus English plus Java plus and C language and create another variable called total observation equal to 5. Why here 5 is, the total number of subject is 5. So the total observations is 5. And then print total divided by total observations. Now you run the program and see what output is. Enter your English marks as 50 and press enter. And enter your Tamil mark as 90 and press enter. And enter your Python mark as 100 and press enter. And type your Java mark as 60 and press enter. And type your C language mark as 70 and press enter. And then you will see the output of the average is 74.0. Here, let me explain what happened. First, Python checks the user input by one. Now Python allocates the memory space for English. And when user enters 50, the Python stores this like this. The Tamil has 90, Python has 100, Java has 60, and C language has 70, and then checks the logic here. The logic is total. Here, total variable allocates some memory space. And Python adds all marks and stores on the total variable by 370. And then go on the next line and see the logic. Here is total divide by total observations and performs the actions. I hope you all done the program correctly. So this is the arithmetic operator, where you can perform mathematical operations. So that's all for today's video. In the next video you will see the next operators. So if you have any doubts, comment. I will resolve it. So, please subscribe, like, share, and comment on my channel for more tech content and learning programming language. Thank you for your time.